Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Can we say pink? I am like living for this look. So as you guys can see by the title, today we are doing a Valentine's inspired very bright makeup tutorial. The best thing is that all the products that I use, guys, are under $10. This video was inspired by Makeup by Emery. I hope I'm pronouncing her name right. If you guys want to check out her channel, I will have a link listed down below. Sorry, I was looking out my window because my dogs are outside. Anyway, this video was inspired by her. I decided to gather a whole bunch of things that were under $10 and create a super bomb, bright pink look. You guys know my heart belongs in the colorful section. I love that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. P.S. We are trying out a lot of new drugstore products. I actually took a little Walmart run today because I needed to pick up some new things, or I needed some new, actually I didn't need them. I wanted some new makeup. You know how that is. And I saw so many new products and I was like, thank you. But seriously, the drugstore is killing it with all these new drugstore releases. With that said, I'm going to show you guys again how to get a full face of this with products under $10. So if you guys want to learn how to get this look, go ahead and keep on watching. Let's start with the skin. I'm going to take the NYX Angel Veil Skin Perfecting Primer. You guys saw this in my throwback video where I went through my makeup and I pretty much used makeup that I used to like love and swear by, and makeup that I haven't touched in a long time. And I totally forgot about this NYX Angel Veil, and I am so glad that I like rediscovered it because it literally, it's life-changing. And it's drugstore. I really want to try out this like almost all matte pink makeup look. So with that said, we are starting off with the eyes first because I'm actually going to go in with a little bit of tape. I don't usually use tape for my eyes, but I am feeling the vibe. I'm going to take the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. And this stuff is pretty thick and heavy and extremely full coverage. I know this isn't exactly $10. It's literally $10.99 at Target or Walmart, so it's just $1 over the 10 and under thing that I'm doing. But I really wanted an extreme full coverage concealer for my eyelids because this is going to be my base instead of my regular P. Louise base. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this tape, and I do like to go like this so it's not like crazy sticky. And I'm just going to apply it right underneath my like lashes right here, almost following the guideline of my eye. I think for the vision that I have in my head, I am going to go in with the Profusion palette. First, I'm going to go in with the darkest shade, which is Go Girl, and it's this really pretty like deep berry pink. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to apply this into the crease. Remember that you want to apply the darkest shadows to the crease first. And I'm also going to bring this pretty far into the crease, like all the way in. Now before I blend too much of that dark purple pink, I'm going to take the shade Jive, which is this hot pink one right here. And I'm also going to throw that into the crease right above this color. This is again just going to help us blend out a little bit more of that shade. It's picking up pretty nice on the brush, so let's see. Oh wow, okay. I had not used this eyeshadow palette since I bought it. I wanted to wait and do like a Valentine's Day look, and I'm so happy that I did. This is such a pretty palette. I'm going to use a little bit more of my concealer, and we're going to do a full cut crease, or is that what it's called? A cut crease? I haven't done one of these in such a long time, but we're gonna do it. We are switching it today, finally. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm going back to Jive and then Go Girl. P.S. I did go back with like a Q-tip and I cleaned up the crease because it was looking a little too like salmony pink and I want to do more of a white base. I ended up going in with the Pro Conceal by LA Girl in the shade Ferris, which is almost like a white shade, and I just applied that to the top. So now I'm going to take a flat brush like this. I'm going to pack it down almost as if we are doing a liner. And then I'm going to go back again with, going to Jive. And I'm going to apply that to the top. And then you just want to set that white with obviously a white shade, or you can leave it like a lighter pink, but I just want to do white. I'm actually going to pick up a little bit of the shade Devoted, and I'm just applying it closest to the lash line. I quickly had to put my hair up because it was driving me crazy. So let's move on to the skin. Oh my god, my chongo is like humongous. The joys of having so much hair. For my foundation, I'm going to go in with this one. This one, I recently did like kind of like a review on it. And oh my god, this is such a good foundation. I haven't used this brush in a minute, so I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild P55. Oh my god, you guys, I had to tell you this dream that I had today. Like when I woke up because I actually felt like I was in my dream. I cried, right? But when I woke up, or the reason why I woke up was because I literally felt like I was like crying in real life, and I don't think I was, or actually I wasn't, because I wiped my eyes to see if I had any tears and I didn't. So long story short, I had a dream that I went back home to New Mexico. If you guys don't know, I am from Las Cruces, New Mexico. I was born in Las Cruces, New Mexico, but I was raised in Anthony, New Mexico. That is like my hometown. I dreamt that I went back because I wanted to see if the house that we used to live in was still like there. That is where my dad passed away. He committed suicide. For my concealer, I decided to push myself and try something that I haven't tried in a long time. So I'm actually going to use two concealers. I'm going to use the Age Rewind in the shade Neutralizer, which is this one, and then I'm also going to take the shade Pecan. I actually just bought this one today because I wanted to use it for contouring. But yeah, I dreamt that me and my man went back there to New Mexico, and that I wanted to vlog, I guess, the experience of me going back into that house. And the house was still there. People lived there. There was a couple living there with like their kids. For some reason, I dreamt in my dream that they were Hispanic, and then we knocked on the door. There was some kids like playing outside. I knocked on the door and I was like, hey, I know that this might seem weird. This was all a conversation in Spanish, by the way. I just wanted to see if there's a chance that I could like go into your house and just kind of look around and see if I get any memories of anything. And for some reason, even though I was like a complete stranger, I guess they let me into their house, and I was just like looking around, which is weird because I don't remember what the layout of our old house used to look like at all. Like I said, I was only 2 years old, so I don't have any memory of it. I went into the house and, you know, they let me look around. I asked them if I could see the room where I thought my dad had taken his own life. And they took me into the room and I was looking around. And I remember my mom telling me that we had like a little attic in the roof. And when I went into the room and I saw the attic and I saw a closet, that's when I started like bawling my eyes out in my dream. And I think that's what kind of like woke me up. And it's just been stuck in my head all day. And I don't know why I had that dream. It is the weirdest thing ever. I'm going to set all this with the new Wet n Wild Photo Focus Banana Powder. I took a trip to Walmart today and I saw that they had so much new makeup. This is what it looks like. I am curious to see if this might be a good dupe for the Fenty Beauty Banana Powder. It's not as heavy as the Fenty Beauty one. It feels a lot lighter. That's the word that I'm looking for. This is also a new drugstore product. This is the Maybelline City Bronzer in the shade 200. It looks super creamy, but let's see. P.S. I'm going to use this Real Techniques blush brush. It is such a good bronzer brush because it's like nice and fluffy. Now for my blush, I'm going to take this one also by, it's not also by, but it's a Rimmel London blush that I also picked up today. Again, there was so much new drugstore makeup. I was like, I cannot. This is called Sweet Cheeks. I was going to pick up a pink one because I was like, it's going to go with the vibe. But no. And P.S. I actually really do like this bronzer. I don't know if it's a mix of the cream contour and the bronzer, but I like it. Oh my god, that is so beautiful. If you guys love peachy blushes, don't sleep on this one. I hope you guys don't hate me for this, but I totally forgot to pick up lashes. So, because this is an under 10 makeup video, I am going to use some affordable lashes, probably mine, because my lashes are only $10. I know that with shipping, they'll probably be more, but just know there are some pretty good drugstore lashes out there. I just totally forgot about that. I think I'm going to go with this one. I'm not sure. So I have here two new of the Covergirl Full Spectrum line. I actually got the whole PR package and I don't know if I want to review it. If you guys want to see a review on the entire Covergirl Full Spectrum line, let me know. Look at how blinding they are. I don't know which one to use. I think I'm going to go in with this one. This one looks a little bit more like gold. Right? Sure. Ooh, mama. Yep. She a keeper. They do apply better if you like press down on them. Oh my god. Look at that, you guys. The formula is a little bit more like on the dry side, but the pigment is there and I am not mad at it at all. I also noticed that these were new by Wet n Wild. These are the Mega Last Liquid Catsuit High Shine Lipsticks, which I'm going to say these are lip gloss. So I'm going to line my lips first with my NYX Earth Tone Lip Liner. Ooh, she is cute. Okay, we do like her. We like her. Oh my god. Okay. This gloss is so cute. I think we are done. Now for my setting spray, I am taking the Kokie Cosmetics Set and Forgets. Guys, I am like low-key living for this look. Like I keep looking at myself in the viewfinder. I'm not being a vanidosa. I really like this look. And that is it. This is my version of an affordable, all under 10 drugstore affordable makeup look. I know this look can be a little bit intense. You guys can totally tone it down, add different shades of pink to make it not as like bright and in your face, but I really wanted to bring fun and creativity and obviously bright colors to this makeup look. So with that said, I am gonna go eat. My sister made me some bomb ass green enchiladas, so I'm gonna stuff my face. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comments, and I'll see you chicas in my next video. Mwah.